Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to be icing up another pair of shoes, some UNC 11 lows. You guys are not going to want to miss this, so check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, just like my other icing videos, we're going to be icing these up the same way. Nothing changes. As you can see, we got those yellow bottoms. These really aren't that bad. The condition of the shoe is perfect. There's not really any flaws on it, guys. I'm still going to scrub it down. Probably do the laces to make these go like extra white and a little bit of the tongue. But for the most part, these are super clean. And guys, you won't believe it. These are size 9. And I got these for $75. And after I ice these up, these are going to go for around probably like 120. Not too long ago, I bought a pair of these for, I think, 100, and I sold them for 130. So I think I can sell them for like 120, 130. And again, I only paid $75, so you know I'm gonna make like 35, 40 bucks profit. So it's an easy flip. I got these right on eBay. They're authentic. I authenticated them, so they're all good there. Only thing is don't have the box, but they'll still go for, like I said, around like 130. And this, you know, guys, these really aren't that bad of yellow for me for icing them up, because we've done a lot worse than this, and you guys have seen those videos. And if you haven't already, go check them out. But yeah, we're gonna ice these up. We're also gonna get those laces white again and make this thing look brand new once again. So here we go. This is the end of session 1, time for session number 2. Session number 3. Alright guys, so there you have it. Took me only 3 sessions. Look how icy these things are. These really took no time at all. And super icy, guys. Super icy. We still have a little bit, like a tiny bit right in here. But for the most part, like, these are pretty crazy, guys. And like I said, it only took 3 sessions. I knew it wouldn't take long. It took 3 sessions. Each session was between 6 to 8 hours. But yeah, didn't take long at all. And this is an easy flip, guys. I bought these for $75, okay? $75. These are gonna probably sell around 130. So that's an easy flip right there. Probably like 30, 40 bucks profit after shipping it and everything. But yeah, all I had to do was ice these up. I mean, these shoes were literally perfect. I mean, the only other thing I probably will do is the laces. They're a little dirty, so I'll probably wash them. But like I did the uppers and stuff like that, and I just cleaned them up a little bit, and they already just look brand new again. And there's no creasing, like there's really nothing. There's nothing really wrong with these shoes. So super hyped I got these, and I got a steal on these for $75. But yeah, guys, that's how you ice these things up. Again, it doesn't have to take long. It only took me a day and a half, and all I did was sit there and put it in the box. So that's as easy as it gets right there. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put it in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks. You want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. I'm gonna see you next time.